Zebra technology enables frontline workers in retail, healthcare, manufacturing, transportation and logistics, and other industries to achieve their performance edge. My role in Zebra technology is in the IT department, and I lead the global quality assurance team, and I'm also venturing into enterprise architecture role as well. Currently, we are using LoadRunner and ALM, which is Application Lifecycle Management. So it has been more than 10 years since we have been using this product. We have experimented with JMeter and other tools like NeoLoad, but I think LoadRunner is something that has been consistent. So at Zebra, we use Oracle products at the core and CBEL, Salesforce, and several other applications. And we use LoadRunner to do the performance testing. For performance testing, we did a POC with NeoLoad, which is a Tricentis product, and some other products for performance testing we have tried and explored. But with LoadRunner, it caters to multiple protocols, which are not only web-based protocols like HTTP and HTML protocols. It can work equally well with Oracle NCA, CBEL Web, and several other legacy applications which the modern performance testing tools don't support. So yeah, I mean, we have experimented a lot, but we haven't found a better alternative for LoadRunner so far. The team is really comfortable and skilled in these products. The good thing is with LoadRunner and Quality Center, there are a lot of learning materials online, and it really helps anybody who is joining new, and it's easier to find talent in the industry with this skill set. LoadRunner Enterprise for performance testing is really a very comprehensive tool. It provides a lot of detailed insights and analytics after you run a test. I mean, the biggest challenge in doing any performance testing is to write a script, which the VUGen, which is the virtual user generator, what we use for scripting as part of LoadRunner, is very easy to use. It provides a lot of correlation functions for different applications and protocols, which kind of alleviates the need of doing manual coding. So it minimizes that. I mean, you still have to do some manual coding for manual scripting, but a lot of work is automated with the use of LoadRunner. I think the correlation libraries and the analysis that we get out of LoadRunner is something that we really like. And also the modern version of LoadRunner Enterprise with the SSO connectivity and everything is pretty nice. With tools like JMeter and several other tools which are available, I mean, you may end up doing a lot of manual work. And LoadRunner is a tool which may help automating a lot of processes and simplifying it for better user experience. So yeah, moving to SaaS definitely saves your operational costs, because you don't have to spend time and resources on doing the upgrades every quarter or every year. In our journey to the cloud, we have certain applications which are, in fact, certain modules and applications which are on-premise and certain applications which are on cloud. So we are, I would say, midway in our cloud journey, but we are getting there.